I always this song right here make me feel like I gotta show you ladies some love, cause y'all all deserve some love. Say, girl, do you know my name? I'm coming over here today. I'm an M that J today, and I got some words to say. I'm over here right now, and I want you next to me. That's why I'm doing the song, and you know just what I see. Saying, girl, saying I'm liking your style, and saying, girl, do you know I like your flow? Saying I like your clothes, and I like your energy for sure. I like the things that you're doing over there, you doing so well. I'm telling you, I'm saying yes, I got a story to tell. Saying, hey, saying girl, you know the saying yes, do you know I like your smile? Saying do you know your smile just driving me wild? Saying I'm here doing something, it's just for you. Cause I'm doing it because I want to be next to you. Saying, girl, do you want to travel around the world? Do you travel with your girls? Do you want to have the song phone over there and see the world? Wanna go to buy the plane? Do you wanna go just buy that boat? I'm over here and I wanna make you happy just for show. Saying, hey, saying I was telling you, yes, girl, do you know I like your style? Saying, yes, I'm over here saying, do you know I like your smile? Saying I like your energy, yes, I want you next to me. That's why I'm doing this song, so you could be next to me. Saying, hey, saying, do you know I'm over here trying to go give you the world? Saying yes to talking about you, I want you to be my girl. Saying yes, you know I'm over here doing this song just for you. Cause everybody knows, yes, I wanna be next to you. Hey.